So it's about 3:30 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday, and I'm about to head out to my flight for HMF. And it's really early, but it's okay. I'm really excited for this trip, and hopefully I get to, take a lot of things, a lot of videos for you guys. And I'll check back with you guys later. Bye. How's it going, everyone? So I've had a crazy morning. Some crazy stuff happened with my gates for my flight, and one thing said another, and luckily I was able to find it on time. And so one for Alex so far, and it's extremely quiet here so early in the morning, but I guess you would expect that. And so I'm about to get on my flight to Phoenix now, and I'll see you guys there. Bye. How's it going, everyone? So I'm in Fresno now. I'm in my hotel room, and a bunch of crazy stuff has happened to me recently. My YouTube got hacked and then deleted, and so it's not the best thing I want to hear, the best thing I want to find out while I'm out here. But I definitely just gotta pray about it. Gotta just try not to worry about it too much, and hopefully I can figure something out. And I don't know. I have nothing else to say, but yep. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey everyone, so I am at the Mom TV network place, and doing an interview real quick. It's pretty awesome in here. It's really last minute, so I don't really know what to say, and I have to talk in Mom. So it's gonna be a little crazy, but yeah, it's pretty awesome in here. Let's give you a quick look. So, it's pretty high tech. It's pretty cool. It's like being at a news station. Just trying to find you. Hopefully, it goes well. I'll check back with you guys in a minute. Behind you.
Tell them other girls taking at the exit, check please. Cause I finally found the girl of my dreams. Much more than a Grammy award. That's how much you mean to me. You could be my it girl. Baby, you're the stuff, girl. Loving you could be a crime. Crazy, every fake girl. This is it, girl. Give me 25 to life. I just wanna rock all night long. Put you in the middle of my spotlight. You could be my it girl. You're my biggest hit, girl. Let me play it loud. Let me play it loud like.
Okay. Hey everyone. I am in Fresno, California, and we just got done with the HMF yesterday. And so I'm just here jamming with some amazing people. Here's Johnny Lowe, Charles Bang, and Yanni. So I want to just say a little bit say a little something.
Okay. Alex is really good. It was really fun.
Outside.
Outside. And now it's hot.
We had a really epic jam session. Me, Alex, and Hilltribe, and some other people. So it's definitely something I remember.
I'm not even here to sing you good.
This guy is amazing too.
Awesome.
We all have YouTube accounts, so
Yep.
mine is JLo Music, JLo. I guess Alex will put like the link right here.
Yep.
And then Charles, right there.
Johnny's back there.
Yeah, so.
But yep, these are some amazing people, and it's been a pleasure singing with them. So, see you later. How's it going, everyone? I'm at the Fresno International Airport, and I'm just getting ready to go back to Phoenix and then back to Denver. Just finished my time here in Fresno for the Mom Music Festival, and I must say it was amazing. I met so many amazing people, and it's such a great experience, and I thank God for everything He showed me this weekend, and hopefully I can continue to do these kind of things, but praise the name of the Lord with the talents that He's given me.